সংলাপ টিভি আজ এবং আগামীর ভাবনা।
Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasreen Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Lakshminarayanpur Coromandel Government Primary School, Southern Noakhali. Welcome to my English class. I hope students you are well, but by the grace of Almighty Allah, Alhamdulillah, I am also well. So, students, beginning of my class, I want to sing a song with you. Can you agree? I think you are agree because you enjoy song. Ready? 1, 2, 3. One sweet girl and one naughty boy togetherly go away, and Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Say everybody. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Again. One sweet girl and one naughty boy togetherly go away, and Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Say everybody. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the song. So, students, our lesson is about the Liberation War Museum, Unit 19, lesson 1, 2, 3 and 4, page 74 and 75. Students, can you remember? I gave you some questions, some fill in the blanks, some true false in our previous class. Can you remember? I hope you can remember because you are very intelligent students. So, I am going to checking your learning. Students, our first question. Where did the students go on a field trip? Where did the students go on a field trip? Okay. Answer? I think you answered because in the Liberation War Museum. The next question. When did the class go to Liberation War Museum? On 14 December. And next question. Where the trip planned? Answer. As a part of Bangladesh and Global Studies course. Okay, students. Now, look at the screen. Here is some pictures for you. Look at the screen. Who is the person? I think all of you know him very much because he is a great leader. He is a great leader, the father of nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. And this picture is about the speech of 7th March. The speech of about 7th March. আমাদের ঐতিহাসিক 7ই মার্চের ভাষণের ছবি এটা, তাই না? তোমরা তো দেখলেই চিনবে রমজান। Now, the next picture. You can imagine it? Okay. This is some pictures of the Liberation War Museum. The Liberation War Museum. And here is another picture. Some rare newspaper clippings and objects that are exhibited in different galleries. Here is some galleries. Now, here is other some pictures. Now, we can see some rare photo based on our Liberation War and Independence. The Liberation War and Independence. এগুলো হচ্ছে আমাদের মুক্তিযুদ্ধ ভিত্তিক কিছু ছবি। তোমরা তো দেখলেই চিনো, সেটা আমি জানি। তারপরে একটু Now, here is some another pictures. There are some rare photographs, documents and newspaper clippings are exhibited in different galleries. Okay, student. Now, beginning of my lesson, I want to discuss some new word with you because it understand to easy our text. The first word, smarter. Smarter. M-A-R-T-Y-R. Smarter. Look at this picture. A person who died for his country. A person who died for his country. Mani shohid. You can make a sentence with this word. I make a sentence for you. Salam, Barka, Tawfiq, Jabbar are martyrs. Salam, Barka, Tawfiq, Jabbar are martyrs. The next word, attentively. The next word, attentively. Attentively. Here is a student and a teacher. Can you guess what do you mean attentively? With attention. With attention. মনোযোগ সহকারে তোমরা শুনো তাই না টিচারদের কথা মনোযোগ সহকারে আমি তো জানি I make a sentence with this word. The students listen their teacher attentively. The students listen their teacher attentively. The next word, document. Document. Here is some written information. A piece of written information. অর্থাৎ লিখিত দলিল লিখিত প্রমাণ এটা হচ্ছে document. I make a sentence. I have already read the document. I have already read the document. Can you understand? Visitor. The next word is visitor. Can you guess what is the meaning of visitor? Someone who visits a place. Someone who visits a place. অর্থাৎ দর্শনকারী লিখছে দেখতে পাচ্ছ না তোমরা ছবি দেখে তো বুঝতে পারছো I make a sentence with visitor. Our visitors are sitting in the living room. Our visitors are sitting in the living room. So students, now it's time to read the passage. Our today's lesson is there are four to never forget. There are four to never forget. So students, I did the passage. You listen very carefully and attentively. Okay students, I also say you listen very carefully and put your finger on every line. Okay students, there were four permanent galleries that exhibited rare photographs, documents and newspaper clippings and objects used by the freedom fighters and the martyrs of our liberation war. At Gallery 2, our rights, our sacrifices. Our teacher read out to us the Declaration of Independence by Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Some other visitors also stopped and listened to it attentively. As we went inside Gallery 4, our victory, our values, we fell silent. We were sad as we looked at the personal belongings of some of our martyred intellectuals and freedom fighters. A pair of glasses, a pen, a notebook, a money bag, a shirt and other such things. We left the museum at 12:30. It was an experience we would never forget. Students, now I again read the lesson, read the passage. You listen very carefully. There were four permanent galleries but that exhibited rare photographs, documents and newspaper clippings and objects used by the freedom fighters and the martyrs of our liberation war. At Gallery 2, our rights, our sacrifices. Our teacher read out to us the Declaration of Independence by Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Some other visitors also stopped and listened to it attentively as we went inside Gallery 4. Our victory, our values. We fell silent. We were sad as we looked at the personal belongings of some of our martyred intellectuals and freedom fighters. A pair of glasses, a pen, a notebook, a money bag, a shirt, and other such things. We left the museum at 12:30. It was an experience we would never forget. So students, now you try. You read the passage. I give you 2 minutes for this. You finish the passage. I give you some tasks. Okay, so you read the passage very carefully and attentively. Now you can. Okay students, I think you have done the work. Now, look at the screen. Here is a table for you. Here is a table for you. Here is column A and column B. Column A has some words and column B. It has its meaning. So, students, match the words in column A with their meaning in column B. Okay, students, column A, first one is liberation, gallery, visitor, document, martyr. Column B has a piece of written information, the act of making one free, a room for showing what was act, a person who died for his country, to eradicate a place, someone who visits a place. So match the words in a column A with their meaning in a column B. I give you 3 minutes for this task. You write it on your exercise book. After 3 minutes, I give you the answer sheet. Can you done it? Okay. So now you match this table with your khata. Column A, liberation, the act of making one free. Can you match it? Gallery, a room for showing work or art. Visitor, someone who visits a place. Document, a piece of written information. Martyr, a person who died for his country. Can you done it? Now, our next task. Answer the following question. Answer the following question. Here is 3 questions for you. The first question is, how many galleries were there in the museum? How many galleries were there in the museum? Museum e কয়টি গ্যালারি ছিল মনে আছে তোমাদের? What did the students do at gallery 3? মনে আছে? Class গ্যালারি 3 3 নাম্বার গ্যালারি থেকে হইছে স্টুডেন্ট where the students sat কেন স্টুডেন্টরা স্যাড ছিল Okay students, I gave you 5 minutes for this task. How many galleries are there in the museum? Can you remember? How many galleries are there in the museum? Answer. There were 6 galleries in the museum. There were 6 galleries in the museum. Can you do it? Next, what did the students do at gallery 3? At gallery 3, the teacher read out the Declaration of Independence by Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. The students and some other visitors also listened to it. Again, at gallery 3, the teacher read out the Declaration of Independence by Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. The students and some other visitors also listened to it. Now, the next answer. Why were the students sat? মনে আছে মনে থাকলে মিলাই দেখো The students were sad as they looked at the personal belongings of some of the murdered intellectuals and the freedom fighters. Again, the students were sad as they looked at the personal belongings of some of the murdered intellectuals and the freedom fighters. Can you done it? Students, I think you've done it. Okay. Now, it's time to give one word. Freedom. Freedom. Free. Free. Okay. Freedom. Freedom মানে স্বাধীন, মুক্তি, free. Speak or think as one words. Speak or think as one words. And make a sentence with this word for you. People love freedom. I love freedom. You love freedom. Okay? All of the person love freedom. People love freedom. সবাই স্বাধীনতা পছন্দ করে, তাই না? তুমিও পছন্দ করো, আমিও পছন্দ করি, সবাই পছন্দ করে। Now, homework. Write 5 sentences about a trip you enjoyed. Answer the following questions. Write 5 sentences about a trip you enjoyed. Answering the following question. Here is 5 questions for you. The first question is, where and when did you go? Where and when did you go? কোথায় এবং কখন গিয়েছিলে ট্রিপে? Who guided you? কে তোমাদেরকে গাইড করেছিল? How did you go there? তোমরা কিভাবে গিয়েছিলে? What did you see there? তোমরা সেখানে কি দেখেছিলে? How was the trip? তোমাদের ট্রিপটি কেমন ছিল? Do you understand? Write 5 sentences about a trip you enjoyed, answering the following questions. এখানে কত এই 5টি প্রশ্নের মাধ্যমে তোমরা এই ট্রিপ সম্পর্কে 5টি বাক্য লিখবে। আমি একটা কথা বলছি কিন্তু সেখানে তোমরা 1 2 3 4 5 ইউজ করবে না, প্যারাগ্রাফ আকারে লিখবে, কেমন? Do you understand? Okay. Now students, we all know we are passing a very critical time with COVID-19, that means coronavirus. So students, so little students, dear students, our intelligent students, stay home, stay safe. Now, goodbye.
সংলাপ টিভি, আজ এবং আগামীর ভাবনা।